Camping vocabulary. Campsite. Tent. Camping. Sleeping bag. Sleeping mat. Sleeping pad. Rucksack. Day pack. Tarp. Ground sheet. Tent poles. Waste bag. Tent stakes. Guidelines. Campsite marker. Cabin. Camper. Van. Dry bag. Cooler. Canteen. Hydration pack. Cooler box. Firewood. Kindling. Ice pack. Campfire. Matches. Lighter. Flint. Fire starter. Portable stove. Camp stove. Gas canister. Propane tank. Barbecue. Hot dogs. Cooking pot. Utensils. Skewers. S'mores. Canned food. Trail mix. Energy bar. Food supply. Snacks. Instant noodles. Water filter. Lantern. Headlamp. Solar charger. Water tablets. Torch. Bandana. Poncho. GPS. Watch. Clothes. Windbreaker. Tools. Multi-tool. Pocket knife. Axe. Swiss knife. Hatchet. Saw. Rope. Paracord. Carabiner. Duct tape. Bungee cord. Repair kit. Sewing kit. First aid kit. Mosquito net. Nature. Woods. Canyon. Stream. Boulder. Mud. Wind. Wildlife. Animals. Insect. Ant. Bird. Mosquito. Butterfly. Blanket. Pillow. Hammock. Backpack. Water bottle. Thermos. Grill. Flashlight. Batteries. Power bank. Compass. Pan. Kettle. Mug. cup, plate, bowl, spoon, fork, knife, spatula, tongs, cutting board, map, jacket, coat, raincoat, hoodie, sweater, hat, cap, beanie, gloves, socks, boots, shoes, sandals, sunglasses, scarf, shovel, medicine, forest, tree, bush, grass, meadow, mountain, hill, valley, lake, liver, waterfall, pond, cliff, rock, dirt, sand, sky, star, moon, sun, cloud, breeze, squirrel, rabbit, owl, fish, snake, soap, shampoo, hand sanitizer, toothbrush, toothpaste, folding chair, folding table, picnic blanket, picnic table, emergency blanket,